Highway Driving Assist is a driving convenience system that assists drivers in maintaining the center of the lane while keeping a safe distance from the car in front. Highway Driving Assist utilizes the Adaptive Cruise Control's radar technology to maintain the distance to the next vehicle, and also uses the Lane Following Assist's camera-based technology to keep the vehicle centered in the lane. The Highway Driving Assist feature is dependent on the camera and the radar sensors to be free from debris. Highway Driving Assist makes highway drives easier to manage. The system can sense when it's on what's referred to as a controlled access road. Controlled access roads have limited entrances and exits that allow uninterrupted high-speed traffic flow. Highway Driving Assist is designed for this type of highway. Highways with numerous exits, ramps, lane splits, and other complex driving environments are examples of where Highway Driving Assist was not designed to function. For Canada, this includes select provincial and territorial highways. And when visiting the United States, Highway Driving Assist is available on select interstate, federal, and state highways. Additional highways may be expanded on by future navigation updates, which can be found by going to the Hyundai Canada website, choosing Menu, and then Map Updates, and follow the prompts from there. Updates are installed via the driver's side USB port. One more important detail is that Highway Driving Assist can be enabled or disabled by going into the settings menu on your infotainment screen. Highway Driving Assist will operate when the Adaptive Cruise Control has been activated, the speed has been set, and the lane following feature has been activated using the steering wheel icon button. On the display, the steering icon will be white when the system is on. However, the lane lines are gray, which indicates that the system has not yet recognized the lanes. Once it has, they will go white, and then the wheel icon goes green. And now the system is active. Here's what that would look like. In this example, the HDA indicator has turned green, and as the system reaches the set speed, it turns green as well. At this point, the system is fully functioning and is at the desired speed. It's important to know that the steering assist is not always active or engaged. When the system disengages the steering assist, the green indicator light will flash and change to white. It is the responsibility of the driver to safely steer the vehicle and to maintain the vehicle in its lane. If the driver takes their hands off the steering wheel for several seconds or holds it too softly, the "Place hands on the steering wheel" warning message will appear and an audible warning will sound in stages. If the driver still does not have their hands on the steering wheel after the hands-off warning, the Highway Driving Assist system cancelled warning message will appear, and Highway Driving Assist and Lane Change Assist will be automatically cancelled. When Highway Driving Assist is operating, your vehicle will stop if the vehicle ahead of you stops. Also, if the vehicle ahead of you starts moving after the stop, your vehicle will start as well, as long as it does so before the system times out. If it does time out, you will be prompted by the "Use switch or pedal to accelerate" message. Depress the accelerator pedal or push the up or down cruise control switch to start driving. Your Elantra's Highway Driving Assist is a wonderful convenience feature that really adds to your ownership enjoyment. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to the additional content on this app and your Hyundai Elantra Owner's Manual.